your brilliant performance.
गुड इवनिंग। स्वागत है आप सभी का AKP न्यूज़ आपकी पुकार। मैं अरीबा अहमद आपके साथ स्वागत करती हूँ आप सबका बंगाल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड 2025 में। आइए यहाँ पे कुछ हमारे खास मेहमान हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं और उन्हीं से जानते हैं उनके बारे में। आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड टू से टू द व्यूअर्स दैट वी हैव Shaban, and he is none other than Kamran sir's son. So what would you say, like you are proud to be a Nepo kid?
It's completely not about a Nepo kid, but it's the hard work which have taken a long journey since when we joined this channel around 2020. No one in Kolkata, or we can say no one in West Bengal, much known about AKP News. So from there, in 2025, taking in such a place where you are recognized by someone or the whole state is a proud moment. And being a Nepo kid is one of the best thing about that, as because I have gained many knowledges in this industry and also meet a lot of celebs and politicians at the same time. It was a quite fun moment for me, as every day there are new challenges, new things to learn, and new experiences. I basically work as a cameraman, so for me it's not an easy job, as because the scene which you have seen, to make that realistic, it's my job. So that's the main toughest part.
So one thing I would want you to say honestly, was it your passion or you just got inspired by your father?
If I did genuinely, it wasn't my passion at all.
So it was basically inspiration,
Yeah, you can
which
say.
led you to this field.
Of course, I have seen my father. From that, and enthusiasm inspired me that okay, I will try. Sorry. At first, when I took interview of some persons, I would get nervous how to ask question, as because it's very important to know the information, to gather the information on which behalf you are going to ask the question. If you don't know about the topic, so how would you able to ask question? So for that you have to gain many knowledges, you have to read books, many things you have to do, and that's the best thing. From that I have learned many things, so thanks to my father. So I just remember my father said me, being a number one is an easy job, you can be number one, but
to
continue that place, it's tough. So when I received this award, it's okay, that's I have received this award, but I have to keep my hustles carry on, as like I want to win
Everyone
more.
is a hustler.
As because we have to keep a hunger na, that we want more, we have to achieve more. If the hunger is empty, if the hunger stops, then the world will stop. The hunger is the main thing. You have to be hungry if you want to sustain, or if you want to grow, then you have to be hungry.
Okay, anything you want to say about your future plans, or you want to just keep it
Secret.
okay? It's a secret.
No,
it's
not
basically
secret. My future plans is quite clear. I want to grow this channel. So basically, I want to make.
so a new entrepreneur coming,
Inshallah.
inshallah.
You can say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
And anything like the best thing you have learned from your father and you would like to carry forward that and tell your children as well to seek from it?
It is speaking truth. The best thing. Whom you have problem with someone, you are not backbiting him. You are telling in his face that this is your problem. So that's the main best thing which I have learned from my father. It's because I can sugarcoat anyone very well. I know that I have that capability. I can sugarcoat you. But if I am coming in front of you and telling that no, you have done this, then the main struggle will begin, na? And that's the thing which my father have, and I want this to be continued till my next generation.
Okay, I have asked you all pressurized questions. Now, what is the fun thing? What is the most fun thing you love about AKP News or this field, the journalism field?
It's the best thing that I love to travel. So that
ओके सो दैट इज द थिंग.
that's the thing. I love cooking.
अब समझ में आया पैशन कहाँ से आ रहा है.
पैशन, अरे आपको किसी चीज़ से पैशन कब मिलता है कि आप वहाँ पर हो और आपको कोई एक इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाता है कि जैसे मेरे को घूमने का शौक है, अब मुझे घूमने मिल रहा है, फ्री का ट्रैवल मिल रहा है, तो वो तो मेरे लिए बहुत बढ़िया बात है.
डेफिनेटली.
अब मुझे फ्री का घूमने मिल जा रहा है. देखिए, स्पीकिंग ट्रूथ, आई एम गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दैट. खाना मिल जा रहा है मेरे को, घूमने को मिल जा रहा है, और क्या ही चाहिए. वही तो चाहिए एक आदमी को कि हाँ चलो एक स्टेइंग मिल जा रहा है मेरे को, आदमी लोग मेरे को जान रहे हैं, वही मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. अगर हम कहीं पर जा रहे हैं, हम खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर पा रहे हैं कि हाँ आई एम फ्रॉम AKP न्यूज़, दैट्स द मेन थिंग. And people are recognizing me. It's not like that people are not recognizing me. People are recognizing me. Oh, you are from AKP News, and that's the main best thing. As
So you are getting recognition. Excellent. So thank you, sir.
thank you. Thank you.